Hello, Froft. Good evening. My name is Aduot. I'm going to present about Aduot Docket management. Uh, the word called docket management uh, came through the idea that you want to you are a lawyer, or rather you're working in a law firm, but you want to arrange your document. And in the law firm, there's a lot of work to be done. Either laws are arranged in different cases, in different files, in different other things. And imagine being in that situation. And then what do you think will help you? The thing that will help you is Aduot Docket management. So this is one of the projects that came up with me, and I've chosen this one perfectly because it can help a lot of people. So now let us start. So in the beginning is that Aduot is developing a data file website to help legal professions solve the challenges of document management and case workflow. We know how the case workflows. So the persona here are who are the people involved in using the website and what are the background. So in this one is a legal professional. So any person who have been in legal professional, either you are retired, either you are not retired, you are allowed to work. There are what, and then we have firm admins, and then we have clients, and also people who will be taking charge, or other people who are working in a law firm. The problem was that there was a security risk. Most of the files were traditionally file after and kept in the rooms, and that was a security risk. So in this website, you just put them in a website, and then they are locked up. There's a security set up on the website, and then you will have no problem with that. There's also efficiency. We know that when you are told to go and do the work, and then you will go and try to move through all the piles, like what is happening here. You have seen here the fourth image. There are too much files, but if you are just using it, if you are just using a website, you just only click the name of the file that you are searching for, and then you will get it. And then there's a problem that we were facing was also a compliance issues. It was one of the reasons that was affecting it. So in this one now, there will be no issues with compliance. So because you just write the name of the person and the case type, and then it is placed on that type of the case. What would be the payoff of this case? The payoff of this case is that there is a case over review. So we will know the which case is coming up and which case is not coming up. Are you seeing? That's one part. Another one, there's what we call document statute. We will know that this document, the case was postponed to this date, and it is supposed to resume on this date. That's one payoff. Another one was actionable insight. It will say mostly issue either this one is urgent or this one is not urgent. This one was cancelled because there's no enough evidence. Those things are insights that you will get when you are getting a feedback from your dashboards. And then another one, which is the finisher. Why are the users better off with the website than before? There's a time saved. Take an example. It is my emergency that my room has been, my family has been robbed. Then I go to police. The police will just take me, say, okay, call your lawyer. My lawyer will write the things down using his own phone. You say, instead of going to the law firm again and then try to narrate all the history to him or all whatever thing has happened. Another one, there's also enhanced security. Security would be so nice. And then there's the increased productivity, the same as I said. And then there's also called improved compliance. You know that instead of saying that this case is like this, you will write like this, you just log in and then everything will be done in just a minute. And then who are the customers or users of this? Who will use this website? Law firms, legal professionals, provide legal representation, manage cases, and handle sensitive documents securely. And the purpose is to streamline to streamline legal workflow, ensure data confidentiality, and simplify compliance, use roles and responsibilities. So then the lawyers now will manage cases and review clients' documents. And in here we also have admins. We firm administrators will control access and ensure compliance. And then also clients will have lots document and review case updates. So the main function here is that the main function of the website is that there should be a secure storage, and then that secure storage that when you push whatever thing to the website, it will be encrypt or encryption will be done for sensitive legal document. And then also the access control. All the domain have access to all whatever thing is happening. So that's one of the reasons. Another one is that there's document organizations. Arrangements and manage case file efficiently will be. You know the case 1, case 2, another thing will be managed very well. And there's also what we call a case management. Case management just deal with create a case, add a case, update a case, maintenance to see that this thing is out of the work or not. Then we move on. And other one is the three-tied architecture. The architecture is that I used HTML, CS. These things I use them for just front page. They are used for interface and user interaction. And then there are also application tag that's dealing with PH frameworks. And then I did not use framework, but I started everything from scratch. And then there's a database. I use a database which is MySQL. That's what I use. And how it is connected is here. You can see it is connected that you started with a user interface, and then from user interface, which is you come to business logic layer, and then you come to data access layer. This is 3 up and 3 down. So as for now, I'm just going to spend a few minutes in showing the codes, and then I will come and do the demo. So in showing the code, this is the codes. So the codes contains all the needed functionalities. Either it started with create, update, add, delete, all those things, and then upload document, and then there's also management, SAF, and then interface, and then there's what we call architecture. That's also there, and we also have a ED diagram, which is also there, and we have the legal document management workflow, and it is also there. And then now let us go back to demo. So at this time now we have no more time, so we will go direct to log in instead of signing up again. So here just log in. So just log into your server. So then put a email. So this time now, exactly the logging in, you have come to your domain. So the project was supposed to have 5 or 4 dashboards and then only domains, but due to time constraint, I've taken this one to be one of my capstone. So other dashboards and other functionalities are not been added, but I deal with the combination of those functionalities. So you come here, you get this dashboards, you get lawyers, you get cases, you get document, and also when you log in, this is what you're getting. This is a dashboards, and in the dashboards, we are now on the server, and the dashboards we have these functionalities where you have cases, so you can ask cases. We have lawyers, and then we have documents to upload the document and also manage documents. So these are the functionalities. you want to hear maybe hearing of a scheduling. Maybe you have this one, the upcoming case, maybe it is postponed or what. This is where this type of functionality will handle it. So now let us try to add a case. When adding a case, there is a date number, a case number. And let us talk about that already. Let us say that is a case title is house issue. From someone called James. Then the lawyer now would be either, let's say, Michael, and then the case type now is civil, because we have criminal, covered family, and others. So we say it is civil. So now, when did it happen? That's the date. So here is the date. Let us put a date. So 17. Let me write something small. House robbery. That's what has happened. So other person, you said, what will come now is to us. So now you have added a case. You have added the case. So you come to the dashboard. You're going to come and get it. Here is it. The case added, it is here. It is here. Clients and the case type is civil. So from Wilson's and then mineral contracts. And then now this is all about the documents. So with document, you upload document. Here is the document. So what is the document case all about? You can also write document case that you need, and the document type. The person that at this day you have something to do, then you can use this part of the database. So with all the functionalities, there are some functionalities like default functionalities are working, but this functionality for hearing is not working for me. So thank you. I'm now logging out. Good day. Thank you.